So, paano nga ba magsimula sa freelancing ngayong 2026? Hi, my name is Toph. I used to work for several multinational companies here in the Philippines. Hindi po ako virtual assistant. I have taught executives about public speaking and personal development. Kasama na dyan ang pag-grow ng ating local Filipino content creators to have their communities scale, become sizable, to have their six-figure income. Ang kailangan mo muna malaman dito is what is your value proposition. Maraming industries na undervalued ka. May industries din naman na tinatawag na overvalued ka. So you just have to know nandun ba naka-align. Kaya mo ba ng technical stuff? Kaya mo ba ng artistic stuff? Or meron kang specific inclination to public speaking, content creation, marketing, sales? Because some industries will often get you more income kung yan ang goal mo. Pabalik tayo doon sa question na, ano bang goal mo? Net worth or network? Because sabi nga nila, your network defines your net worth. So magsisimula tayo syempre somewhere unless kaya mo gawin sila ng sama. Next, if you're preparing for your careers freelancing, I would have to recommend start building a portfolio. Ano yung portfolio? Portfolio defines your work, sample work, and technically parang CV or resume. So kung hindi ka pa marunong gumawa ng sarili mong portfolio, marami ng sample dyan, nandyan din si ChatGPT. But if kailangan mo ng sample, I would say focus first on the portfolio that you're proud of. Don't limit yourself to a very niche down. Offer as much as you can. Dahil hindi mo alam kung saan ka tatanggapin. And try to expand first in your warm market. Offer mo muna sa mga kakilala mo kahit free. Ang portfolio hindi kailangan paid na mga gigs. Just has to be present out there. Same time, warning sa mga kumukuha ng portfolio ng iba para labaho ang trabaho. Malalaman nila yan. Seryoso ako dyan, lalo na pagdating sa artistics and graphics. So I would recommend, trabahuin mo, huwag mong pekein. Dahil pag nasira ang pangalan mo, sigurado, hindi lang trabaho mawawala sa'yo. Credibility, pangalan, at probability na career mo babagsak ka lang outside of freelancing. At sabi nga naman ni Ian. So kung freelancing, kung masyadong greedy, lalo na kung illegal, at inagaya mo lang sa iba, ha? So yan, kung nagsisimula ka, start it right.